Hi there, this is Venai, owner of Venai's Corner, and I just wanted to show you guys what's behind the scenes of what I'm doing to transform this Afro Kinky bulk hair and moisturize it, okay? So I'm going to wash it. Here I'm separating and fluffing the two pieces of Afro Kinky hair out of packaging. I'm going to shampoo these two Afro pieces. I'm going to do a deep cleanse today, so we're going to do 2 washes. And I just tossed my test lock in there to show you guys how it looks once it's washed and matured a bit. To show you what instant locking can look like after that first wash. So I'm just taking a Cream of Nature shampoo, something I had on hand, and massaging the product into the hair. Getting a good lather, scrubbing the hair and massaging it. This hair must be treated with care. It was quite dehydrated, so I watched it become revived and plump once it relaxed in the waters. Here I am rinsing the hair out, just making sure the water runs clear. That's how I know the product is ran out of the hair and the hair is fully cleansed. You see how full and swollen it's gotten? And I'm just wringing that all out, bring it over to the next area. And I'm applying a silicone conditioner. This makes the hair plump, soft, and often gives the appearance of health. So it's something that's used within the hair industry for quite some time. And I decided to work that through the hair. I kept it in for a few minutes, but then I thought, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. This hair needs something more intensive as far as treatments. My goal was to remove that smell of processed hair, and so I tried deep conditioning and then a hair mask, because I've run into this problem with other hair before in the past. However, I found a Loc bath with baking soda, white vinegar, lemon juice. That will remove that smell. And then at the end, it smells like lemons. It's quite pleasant. And you can apply, whatever products you want to afterwards. It might be a bit drying, so, use some moisturizing oils. Here, I'm just bringing out the hair again. I'm just checking the smell. It still smelled at the time. And this was after applying the Aussie conditioner. So I decided to grab a Loc Body hair mask, massage that into the hair. And as I worked with the hair, I did pray over it as well, setting good intentions for whoever's crown I attach this to. I'm just creating a warm bath of water for it to try to soften the hair a bit more. Let's get creative, okay? I love the tight type 4 curl pattern. I think it would be beautiful and so many lock extension installs, and I look forward to working with it. Okay, I'm back. So I had rinsed out the Afro Kinky bulk hair. It had sat in a hair mask for about 15 minutes in lukewarm water, and I allowed the hairs to relax in the water. This brought back the curl of the hair. I wanted to get some up-close shots of the texture. This is a type 4 hair curl pattern in color 27. Length is 8 inches. And I purchased this from Yona Hair. The hair is strong. It passed the pole strand test. It's a great fabric of hair to work with. I think it would be beautiful to do some texture match work with if you happen to have type 4 kinky coily hair. I have a lot of ideas when I look at this hair. One of them being installing blonde lock extensions and layering a color gloss over it, perhaps in a rich purple, an eggplant shade, or sunset, maybe peach rings shade. Sounds fun. So as you can see, the hair is very fluffy and it matures and ages quite beautifully. I'm noticing a lot of shedding, so I'm trying to remove that shedding with these rinses. This is the test lock that I had created. I wanted to show you guys the flexibility of this test lock. So this is the hair after a Loc Detox. It definitely removed the smell of the processed hair. Look at that shine. Great results. Can't wait to install.